Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 6th. We are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, make your own decisions. So, Tesla closed at 691.62 today, up 55 cents. So, up 0.08%. So, Tesla is finding its top. Post-market down 46 cents. So let's look at the chart. So basically, yesterday we had a red candle. We also had a red candle. Is it? I'm kind of mixed up now. We are Tuesday. Okay, yeah. So we had the red candle also last Thursday. So Tesla announced, beat the analysts' estimate as to the deliveries that they had in Q1 at the end of the first quarter. So that's what made the stock go high here. But then, if you see here, I drew two resistance line, one at 713 cents and one here at 693. So just to show that the 693 is because of this resistance here that the stock reached. I'm gonna move myself. The stock reached a top here on December 18th and also on December 30th. So I think that this is a resistance. This is an important resistance. And also there's the $700 resistance that Tesla has had a hard time breaking also around mid-March. So if you see here also, Tesla has been going down and hitting this support here, this big support that we have had for a long time. So Tesla is basically caught between this channel, within this channel. So this is a resistance here in red. This is a support here in green, and Tesla stock has been bouncing on it. So it bounced on March 5th, then boom, went on the other side around March 11th, then slowly went almost down, almost touched it in this little channel, and then broke out of the channel yesterday, but could not break here, could not break 700 and could not even break, if I'm not mistaken, 693. And today also could not break 693. So this is really an important resistance here. This is an important resistance zone. The stock does not want to go above that. I'm not too surprised because the earnings call will happen on May 5th. So maybe, I don't know. Maybe this is why investors are waiting to see what are the profits, what kind of profits did Tesla do. So May 5th will bring us, in terms of the chart, around here. So what can happen? I'm not sure, but what can happen is Tesla might stay within this zone here, until May 5th. Of course, we could have a little spike before the actual news, as it often happens. But basically, Tesla is cut between this line and this line, but also underneath this line, because this is a major resistance that Tesla is having a hard time breaking. Let's look at the indicators. So in terms of indicators, the stochastic is quite high. The stochastic is at 83, so anything above 80, if you look here, anything above 80 means that there's a big push, that the stock moves. So in theory, the stock should be moving, but it's not. It's clearly not, because it's been stalling here. Let me talk about the stochastic a little bit. I changed the way I am displaying the stochastic. As I mentioned, I like when the stochastic is 50 and above to show that things should be moving up. So I changed the way the lines are drawn for the stochastic. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I did it in collaboration with my friend René. So hi René. So basically what I did here is did the upper band at 80 like the usual stochastic indicator has. But instead of having the lower bands at 20, I put them at 50 and did the background that's green. So anytime the stochastic is in the green zone, and I could have also done this upper part 200, but then we kind of lose the concept of overbought. So there's a concept of overbought where when the stochastic is over 80, some people say it's time to sell because the stock has been overbought. I don't believe in that theory because, you know, if you look at this here, stochastic has been overbought for a long time according to that theory. And some people would have bought the stock when it became oversold here and overbought here, and they would have missed this opportunity from 457 to basically 800. So this is why I don't like this theory of selling the stock as soon as the stochastic breaks over 80. But I just wanted to preserve, to have the 80 concept there, but I don't need to act on it. So basically this is the new look of the stochastic. So you will get used to it with time. And basically it means that when we are in the green or above, it's really bullish. And I am starting to use this thumbs up and thumbs down to indicate that yes, we are above the 50 line basically. So according to the stochastic, the stock should be moving, but no, it's been blocked by this support. In terms of the MACD is also bullish when it has been bullish for a couple of days. And the DMI, which is a very, very smart indicator, even though the stock did these 4 upper candles, the DMI says, no, you are not fooling me. The stock is still in a downtrend. So, so far the DMI is right because we see that today the stock has retreated. And in terms of post-market, it has also retreated. So basically my personal strategy when I buy stock is to wait for a break of a resistance or bounce on a support, and I prefer to have the 3 indicators to all agree before I go in, and when this happens, I have a high probability chance of making money. So it's just interesting to see that the DMI is still telling us, I'm not fooled yet. I'm not ready to say that Tesla is in a bull mode. And so far the DMI has been right because the stock has moved from 558 approximately to over 700 a little bit, and the DMI said no, still red for me. This does not impress me. This is still bearish. So far DMI has been right. So let's see what happens this week, and let's see if DMI turns red, which would indicate to us that maybe it's time to get in for the long haul. We'll see. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. We have a Discord server you can join. It's free. I have a Patreon account also for people that want me to do special stocks, so special analysis for special stocks, because here on YouTube I'm only doing Palantir and Tesla. So if you want me to do more, you can join a special tier in Patreon where every weekend I will do an extra stock that you guys that are part of the Patreon tier will tell me to do. So then if you have a portfolio with several stocks, then you can use this Patreon tier to ask me to help you give my opinion on your stocks, but you make your own decisions. So I will wish you a great evening. I've been talking a lot, I feel, and I'll tell you à la prochaine.